Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a simple and touching story titled The New Student. In this lesson you will improve your listening, learn useful vocabulary, and practice speaking English. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. It was the first day of school. The classroom was full of students. Everyone was talking and laughing. Then the door opened. A new student walked in. Her name was Sarah. She looked shy and nervous, holding her bag tightly. The teacher smiled. "Class, this is Sarah," she said. "She is new here." Some students looked at her. Some whispered quietly. Sarah felt uncomfortable. She walked slowly to an empty seat. During the lesson, Sarah tried to listen, but she felt worried. She did not understand everything. Next to her, a girl named Lily noticed her. Lily was kind and friendly. After class, Lily walked to Sarah. "Hi," she said. "My name is Lily." Sarah looked up. "Hi," she replied softly. "Do you need help?" Lily asked. Lily smiled. "I can help you with the lessons," she said, "and you can sit with me at lunch." Sarah smiled for the first time. The next day, Sarah sat with Lily. They talked and laughed. Lily introduced her to other classmates. Slowly, Sarah felt more comfortable. Sarah realized something important. A kind friend can make a new place feel like home. Now, let's learn some important words from the story. Student, a person who studies at school. Example: Sarah is a new student. Nervous means feeling worried or unsure. Example: Sarah felt nervous on her first day. Comfortable means feeling relaxed and safe. Example: Sarah felt comfortable with her new friends. Now let's listen again slowly and repeat. Sarah was a new student. She felt shy and nervous. Lily talked to her. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. I am a new student. Nice to meet you. Can you help me? Thank you, my friend. Great job today. Remember, kindness can turn strangers into friends. Please like the video and subscribe for more English learning stories. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning English.